soon as I'm on. I promise I'll pay you before, but I didn't mean it. Back when a nigga was jobless, trying to get by, I plotted on shooting myself. I was just trying to survive, the money was dry, I think I was losing myself. I pray to God and promise if he made me rich, then I'ma stay true to myself. But fuck it, I lied, and now I stare in the mirror like, what did I do to myself? I think the old me died. I let the money change me, I lied. I let the money change me, I lied. I let the money change me, I lied. All of them promises I forgot. I let the money change me, I lied. I let the money change me, I lied. I let the money change me, I lied.
Motherfucker say you claim you know what's up, though. Baby, black hoe, stay the fuck away. Locked up on my side, pull up like don't triple like any motherfucking time, any motherfucking day. Demons all around me and they begging for my fucking day.
Same shit every day, playing with the game. Don't know inside, it's the block where the fuck I stay. Still a creeping in the good, we ain't see this food. I'm heavy on the bed, with the good.
Breaking bad, I've been rolling with the neighbors in that. Have you ever seen a demon pull up in Mercedes? Yeah, underrated, you know rated. Fucking shit, the hell is clear, the motherfucking thing.
Better stay away. Better stay away. Say the bottom line. Say the bottom line.
I just press the button, I just press the tag. See this bag of dope, that's 100 grand. Tell her be some hope, fuck I hit the dash. Looking for some love, holla at your man.
I got him from my dogs and get bad dog.
You know it's personal when the mask off.
His body on display like his head off.
In the game, call me Bernie, but don't mad dog.
Rock out, tell the world so my dick is in, but don't hide, cause I always get the women in. Fingers high, 5'9".